What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Today I'm just getting on the freeway right now and headed up to Costa Mesa. LA E-Skate, the LA Electric Skateboarding Group, they've got a dope ride planned, so I'm gonna meet up with them, and I've got one stop to make on the way. I saw something really cool on OfferUp, so I wanted to check that out, and I'll show you guys what it is in a minute. Here we go. So got the first stop here, and my man Evan over here. What do you got?
510.
510 surfboard. I saw this thing on OfferUp. It looks sweet. So meeting here, checking out the board. What's the story on this thing, man?
I've had it and just been trying to sell it and haven't had any luck. I had it in the shop for a lot of money.
Brand new board, right?
Yeah.
How come you never surfed it?
I have other ones that have been surfing, yeah. And I haven't just been surfing that much.
Right, I hear you. Well, that looks sweet, man. I'll take it. Sold. So I bought that board. So sick. And check it out. It is literally brand new. This thing's never been ridden. This crazy black paint job on the back, flames. Couldn't get any cooler than that. All right, got the surfboard now. On the way to Costa Mesa. Let's do it. So we're out here with LA E-Skate right now. Check it out, boards everywhere. Psycho Tiller, LaCroix. This thing's a beast. Another LaCroix. Evolve GT, Carbon, Rampage, GTR, Boosted Mini S. We got Sawyer's little miles right here. So Sawyer, to make it more challenging, decided to match our weight here. With his backpack, it's 40 pounds. He's got 60 pounds here, 40 pounds here.
Yeah, it's crazy. Weight reduction.
That's when you don't care.
Got a bit of a hiccup here, man down.
Oh, you're good.
Too much fun.
Until you got some proper shit to
Should we just go to like a...
I got gauze and I got bandages.
The adrenaline. You're gonna do it without water. I don't feel shit right now.
Oh man.
That would. Okay. Yeah.
I have some.
Okay, I don't feel shit, so... Alright, yeah, we gotta do it now then.
Too big. I'm feeling woozy, so he's on it.
Are you?
You guys are good.
Yeah, we're happy with it. Alright, yeah, I should probably...
I kind of did that, and that's where I fucked
You just
up.
fishtailed?
Fishtailed. Minor hiccup there. My man is back on his board.
We got a bike in
Absolute hero. Huntington Beach. You just took a spill, didn't you? You alright?
It's so hot outside. We're ripping it so fast.
So nice. That's it. Charge station. Look who's back. What is up, man? How you feeling?
Like shit.
Oh man.
No, I'm kidding.
Jeez, what a hero.
It's too deep for stitches. I need to like clean it out.
No way.
Yeah, they can't.
Too deep for stitches. So they just wrap it up. Charger time's over. Time to rip it. back home after an epic ride. Super, super big thanks to the LA Eastgate group for having me out. That was a lot of fun. I was a little disappointed in the performance that myself and my board put on. The boards that were out there were just nuts. So many really cool custom boards and stuff. I think we can get even better performance out of the Rampage. So gonna make a few tweaks to that and hopefully get those into the production Rampage boards to make them even better. Don't want them leaving the factory until they're dialed in and just rocking. So got a few things to do. I'm just completely dead. That's it for today's vlog, guys. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.